This is the progress on different styles and to get these pieces more of a kind of a monochromatic vibe. This piece here is the way the pieces are normally made, and you can see there's these antique gold undertones and such, but each panel, and this is all the different colors, would have its own accent color. So this would be the turquoise panel, but if it was maybe the evergreen panel, we'd have all these foresty olive colors in here. As you'd see the whole set together, it would look like a big silver piece, and you would notice there's these kind of color quadrants going on, but it would be more subtle. The next one over is where you don't have these kind of base contrasts. So each piece stays silver. There's silver in the negative, silver on the positive. You can do all kinds of little effects and things. You can add a little gold and there's silver here and there, which this does have. There's a little bit of gold in here, like right around through here. But this is more of a kind of a candy finish to the piece. You've got a silver underneath and a transparent on top. This is a different vibe, and maybe you'd call this kind of like a jelly bean type color, where the color is embedded in the casting. So instead of starting out with the casting and then leafing it and then staining it, which is a very bright, very reflective type of a approach, now we've got the entire panel looking more like it is made of that color. So instead of this being color applied to, this is transparent resin that is applied in the mold. And you can even get these kind of half and half type vibes where the resin, mixed with another resin and then you're just adding an interference into the negative space where this has some gold bronzing powder and a little opalescent white. And if you saw this in person, it'd feel, like I said, like it's a jelly bean type of a look to it. So those are the three that were successful. There were more, but I didn't like them very much. So let's see if we maybe want to make a hybrid of these, maybe do some of the effects to this, to that, or maybe one of them is really catching on. And then maybe we'll do three different colors. Like, let's say we like this one here. Maybe we'll do this one, and that one in their own individual colors. So I think we're going to need to see how they work together as a group.